Hi guys, in this video we are going to share with you people that how you can make money online at home without registration fees. So in this video we will share with you people four ways through which you can make money at home. So if you are looking for a job online to work at home without registration fee, work at your part time, full time, and earn money from online jobs, data entry jobs, form filling jobs, and work from your PC, laptop, or mobile. So, this video is for you. We are going to share with you the first job with you people. First job is data entry jobs, and by this one you can earn $10 per entry. So here are some instruction for this job. What is data entry task? Completing the data entry form with the data given above is called data entry task. You will be paid money for successful data entries that you complete without errors. How do data entry job works? Copy and paste is your only task. Copy the palm field and the value given at the top of the page and paste them at the data entry palms. Then you will submit the data rows in the correct order as given. Don't change the order, otherwise it will show error. After completing the task, you will earn money. Categories. What categories data entries I will be getting? You will have to fill data entry categories like resume, car, insurance, loan, credit, etc. Here is the second job, which is a pre-typing job. Job description is typing job is the name says that you have to type the contents given to you on the field provided in our web page. Work data will update it on daily basis. Typing jobs assigned by different firms will be updated every day. So you can also earn a reasonable money by this job. Features are of this job given below. Basic typing knowledge is enough to do this job. For this job, it means it is necessary that you know how to type. Second is you can do with a normal typing speed. It doesn't need a very fast typing speed for you through or with normal speed typing speed you can do this job. Another feature is work from your PC, laptop, or mobile. You don't need extra things for this. You can do this job from your PC, laptop, or mobile. No minimum number of typing to be done in a day. Do up to 10 assignments per day. 80% accuracy is enough to get paid. All your typing jobs will be validated and approved in 24 hours. Check your reports and on history and the member areas. Another easy job for you through which you can earn uh, $500 per day is a survey job. Job description. Answer simple question and earn money. Participate in survey that you are interested. Fill simple online forms and earn rewards. Just you need to update your survey profile and interested topic regularly. You will be getting survey invitation based on your survey profile. All available survey will be listed in the member area. You can choose them as per your preference. Earn money to complete them successfully. Here are some features of these jobs too. Survey forms are so easy. Survey forms are so simple, just like filling a signing off form or creating an email account. Second feature is no accuracy needed in the job. Your opinion is the only thing that matter. There is no accuracy needed in this job. On cash reward. On cash reward from everyday survey that you complete successfully. Withdraw. Your reward is a cash. Winning amount can be withdrawn as cash. Some other features which you should know about this survey job. Basic computer knowledge is enough to participate in survey. It means you must have some knowledge about computers. Pick your own favorite survey. Complete survey at your own free time. Fill survey form from your laptop or mobile. Earn money to give your opinion. Get survey invitation by emails. Play with your friends and families. Join survey for free. No investment needed in this job. Get instant reward after survey. Withdraw your reward every day. Get reward from $50 to $500. Check your reward report and the member areas. And here is one more job for you people through which you can earn money easily at home is SMS sending job. What is SMS sending job? Sending marketing bulk SMS to our clients mobile from our web portal is SMS sending job. Work data and instruction will be given to you in the member area. You can do the task accordingly. You will earn money for each and every SMS that you process successfully. Now here are some of the features of this jobs too. Basic mobile knowledge is enough for this job. No need any typing skills. Send SMS from our own portal, not from your mobile. No minimum number of work to be done in a day. Send up to 1500 SMS per day. No registration fee is required. Earning will be credited in 1 to 2 hours. Check reports and earnings detail in the member areas. So these were the four things in which we share with you people by which you can earn money at home free of cost without any registration fees. That is a survey you can join, SMS sending, ad posting job, and much more. So these were the easy ways by which you can earn free of cost without any registration from home, from your PC, laptop, or mobile phone. And these are the modern and simple and easy ways by which you can earn money.